how to install our ProGlide for chocolate blocks here at SPOS. If you haven't gone and checked out our installation video on Versa Pusher, please go and do that, as it shows you how to put the front and rear extrusions into place. Now, we've got a front extrusion and a rear extrusion here. The front extrusion, wing nutted in. If you're running a stainless steel or a fixed shelf, then you'll be using the magnetic extrusion. Once the extrusion's into place, front and rear, you'll put your end divider in. It simply clicks into the front, just like the Versa Pusher, and then you've got the rear extrusion here where you just put the clips over the top and bang it in. Starting left to right, the left will always have a double pusher divider. Now, in order to set this up for blocks, we need to install the blocks paddle adapter. So the block paddle adapter has these channels on the inside here and the corresponding channels on the front of the pusher housing. Simply put that on over the top and slide it into place. Like that, now you're ready to go. Now, if you want to put this in while it's already set up, you'll need to just push the housing back so you can get this underneath the lip. Once it's underneath the lip, you let it come down and release, and then at the back, you've got this rear channel, and bang, she clips into place. In order to set up and merchandise it, simply push the pusher all the way to the end, drop your chocolate blocks in, let it come to the front, and now you've got a 100% auto-fronted, replenishing, on-shelf solution to keep your customers happy and everyone feeling good.